2.3 Atomic Structure.
At the end of the lesson, students should be able to define the proton number and nuclear number, determine the nuclear number, proton number, and number of electrons in an atom, write the standard representation of an atom, construct an atomic structure diagram, and electron management.
Let's look at the table. As you can see, what is the relationship between the number of proton and proton number, and the relationship between the nuclear number and the proton number? The table shows the proton number and nuclear number of oxygen atom, sodium atom, and chlorine atom. The number of proton in the nucleus of an atom is known as the proton number. The total number of proton and neutron in the nucleus of an atom is known as the nuclear number. The nuclear number is number of proton plus number of neutron, and nuclear number, proton number plus number of neutrons. Atoms of different elements have different proton numbers. For example, sodium atom has proton number of 11 and chlorine atom has a proton number of 17. Students, are there any two elements with the same proton number? Can you explain why? The table shows the comparison among the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons when a chlorine atom accepts an electron to form a chloride ion. What are the changes in the number of proton, neutron, and electron? You can see in the table. A chlorine atom accepts one electron to form a chloride ion. Thus, a chloride ion has one electron more than a chlorine atom. The number of protons and neutrons in a chlorine atom and chloride ion are the same. Therefore, during the formation of ion from an atom, the number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus remain the same.
An atom can be represented using a standard representation as shown in figure. The A representing the nucleus number, the Z representing the proton number, and X is symbol of the elements. Atomic structure and electron arrangement. Electrons of an atom orbit around the nucleus in their respective shells. Electron will fill the shell closest to the nucleus first. When the shell closest to the nucleus is full, electron will fill the next shell. And the maximum number of electrons in the first 3 shells for elements with proton number 1 until 10 is shown in this figure. The first shell, which is the closest one to the nucleus, can occupy to 2 electrons. The second shell occupies 8 electrons, and the third shell occupies 8 electrons. Don't forget to study and stay safe and stay home. Bye. Assalamualaikum.